A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about how.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a pregnant clean with me. My house is a disaster, and honestly, I've just been so tired. The idea of cleaning right now is killing me, but tomorrow's Mother's Day. I'm not officially, I guess, a mom yet. I'm 35 weeks pregnant now with baby girl, and I think Ralphie, I'm a fur mom too, right? Is that right or is that wrong? Am I your fur mama? Yeah, tomorrow's Mother's Day. We're going to be visiting both my mom and Jamie's mom tomorrow. We are in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic, so we aren't seeing either set of parents for very long, but I do have flowers that are being delivered that we wanted to bring to each mama, and I'm getting flowers delivered to myself tomorrow as well, because I really wanted something to make the house feel pretty, and I feel like I'm so close to being a mom that I can buy myself flowers for Mother's Day. But anyway, I do not want to do any cleaning tomorrow, and it's probably been about 2 weeks since I've cleaned my house. So today's the day. I'm going to try to tackle some things. I don't know how long I will be able to go, how far I will get. I'm already out of breath. I am filming with my iPhone. I don't have a vlogging camera because I've never vlogged before. If you are a long-standing member of my channel, you will know that all of my videos were basically sit-down videos, except for a couple shop with me type videos. So I've never really done the whole vlogging thing, but we're going to try it today. And if you guys like it, then I can always buy a vlogging camera. But I'm sorry if the quality isn't stellar. Hopefully my iPhone will give me okay quality. But anyway, stop procrastinating, catch my breath, and let's get going.
Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. I'm stripping down the middle. I'm stripping down the middle. I'm stripping down the middle. This is not what we should be. Trying to get the best of me. Inside myself, I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down the middle. I'm stripping down the middle.
crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds. And as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control. 'Cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control. 'Cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I me strong. I'll carry on with the fire that's left in me. You lifted me higher, you're my heartbeat, taking the fire out of me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me. I've never been that much for love. Thought being free better than none. Tried it before with all I got, and all I know is left now, the sun and the stars, leaving me in the dark, leading me through it all. 'Cause you are the fire left in me. You lifted me higher, my heartbeat, taking the fire out in me. You make me strong. I'll carry on with the fire that's left in me. You lifted me higher, you're my heartbeat, taking the fire out in me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me. Left in me.
That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this clean with me and want to see more vlog, clean with me, shop with me, day in the life type videos, let me know so I can buy a bit of a better camera than just relying on my iPhone. So let me know in the comment section down below or by liking this video. And if you can also go check me out on Instagram, I would be so thankful. I update there a lot more often than I do here on YouTube, and that's where I'm going to be updating in more live time with respect to all things baby. So go check me out there. It's at jessicamelodymor, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.